The PCS7 maintenance station focuses on plant asset management and enables corrective, preventative, and predictive diagnostics, as well as maintenance of the plant. Asset statuses, as well as diagnostic messages and events, are summarized in the diagnostics area of the PCS7 operator station for the plant maintenance personnel. The maintenance station provides an asset management system for many control system components, such as PC stations, network components, controllers, I/O systems, and field devices. In the PC station area, you can monitor the status of your server and client applications, as well as the health of Siemens industrial PCs with diagnostics monitoring software configured. Here, on the faceplate of the SIMATIC industrial PC object, we can call up the web page with the Diagnostics Monitor button. The AS/system area is where all of the automation system components can be monitored, such as an AS410 or other S7400 CPUs, as well as other PCS7 controllers. For the CPUs, you can monitor diagnostics on the CPU utilization, detailed error messages, a readout of the diagnostics buffer, as well as other performance and health-related information. Here we can navigate down to one of our redundant AS410 controllers, and when we open the faceplate for that object, we can select the view that shows us the diagnostic buffer readout. In the field devices area, components can be monitored such as Profibus and Profinet remote I/O stations, links and gateways, as well as other I/O network devices. Intelligent field devices, such as HART and Profibus devices that are integrated with SIMATIC PDM, can also be monitored and accessed on the maintenance station. With the PDM server option, PDM can be accessed for intelligent field devices directly on the maintenance station client. SIMATIC PDM is a great central management tool for intelligent field devices, as well as other plant components. It can be used for commissioning, maintenance, and device management, and it supports many different device types, communication protocols, and device description languages. HART-capable field devices can be integrated into PCS7 easier and faster than ever with the SIMATIC ET200 SPHA I/O system on Profinet. HART field devices come with benefits such as device-specific diagnostics, as well as access to additional HART variables through the same analog channel. Up to 4 HART variables can be configured per channel, and up to 64 HART variables per I/O module can be accessed when using the multi-HART configuration and channel block from the PCS7 Advanced Process Library. In this example, we're troubleshooting a maintenance alarm from one of our level transmitters. The SiTrans LU240 level transmitter uses ultrasonic technology. It's endowed with process intelligence for both simple and challenging level applications across all industries, as well as dynamic adaptability to changing process conditions using advanced algorithms for consistently detecting the correct level. The diagnostics message indicates that the maintenance alarm is from a loss of echo, which could be due to factors like excessive moisture buildup, material being too close to the transducer, vibrations, nozzle height, or maybe that this unit simply needs to be replaced. After taking a closer look, we can see that the cause of this alarm was from material being too close to the transducer. Now we can effectively clean our level transmitter and resolve our maintenance alarm thanks to the PCS7 maintenance station integrated with PDM and our HART devices.